Video number 17 in the customization of the Suzuki Series 14 knockoff part. Marking the slider. I'm going to be shaping the underside of this to match this. And I'm going to use a lot of different ways to do it. But I'd really like to have a good feel for the shape I need. So all I have to do is put the end of this, which is the shape, against this and mark it with a pen on both sides, and that'll be my guide for where I'm going to be chopping the material out. So let's go ahead and do that together. I'll bring the camera down and you should be able to see what I'm doing. Let's do this even a little more. Okay, so I've got this here. I'm going to take, maybe come up here a little bit. I'm going to be chopping off this bottom portion here. So I'll come here, and I want to leave quite a bit on top. It's easier for me to take the material off the top than it is off the bottom. So I'm figuring if I come in here and I do it like this, that's about right. Okay, come here. See, that's the shape. Now do the same thing over here. Okay. Now I know that I need to go chop that out. And I'll leave the top part so I have something to grip on, but now I've got to go and get that part chopped out. I've got some methods to do that. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it first with a bench grinder, and then I'm going to use a Dremel to clean it up, and then I'll sand by hand. But that completes the marking. On to the next step.